What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Hobay TJ, and I'm back with another motherfucking banger. Alright, in this video, I'll be showing you how to sound like your favorite Chicago rappers like Bloodyhound, Lil Jeff, Q50wlil50, and these young motherfuckers, what they call Q50wlil50 and Fully Chop. Alright, before we hop into the preset, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Let's hit 1K subscribers before next year. I know we're gonna do it. Boom. So let me first do the intro. The preset is called ASTRO. Let me first play without the preset for y'all to listen. This is how they sound without the preset. Play it for you. Let me turn the beat off. Yeah. Niggas know how it come, man. It's THB. TJ. Yeah. They give this and them bodies keep dropping, bitch. You gonna die if you dissing on us. Yeah. It's THB. Yeah. Gang. Alright, so now let me put the preset on for y'all to listen to how it sounds. I use the ASTRO for the intro, yeah. Yeah. Niggas know how it come, man. It's THB. TJ. Yeah. They give this and them bodies keep dropping, bitch. Alright. So now let me hop into the main vocals for y'all to listen to how they sound without the preset. These the main vocals. Put it off. This one, so let me put it off for y'all to listen to how this sound. I named the preset Rag because them niggas from the Rag, bitch. I don't take everything I say serious. You know, for it to sound like the rap rappers, you need to talk about killings, murders, and shit. And I did it. I was aiming for that neck, he tried to dodge it, hit his head. He was dissing, now he dead, he couldn't run, a bit too fat. Yeah, he put up in a white tee, but bitch, I made it red. If you take my shit and that's the one, then I'ma get it back. Where you at, we on your block. So this how the main vocal sounds without the preset. Now let me put the preset on. Preset called Rack. Let me show you the preset before we hop into anything else. BG Comp. I might drop that link in the description, so don't worry. DS Exciter. BandLab 1176. Money's Gate. Tech Lab BA2A. So now let me put the other one on. This how they sound. Let me play it for all this. I was aiming for that neck, he tried to dodge it, hit his head. He was dissing, now he dead, he couldn't run, a bit too fat. Yeah, he put up in a white tee, but bitch, I made it red. If you take my shit and that's the one, then I'ma get it back. Where you at, we on your block. So now let's hop into the Adlibs. These the Adlibs. Let's hop into it. Let me play without a preset on. I use the high vox. Y'all know high vox is BandLab preset. Let me play it without it. Listen to how it sound. Damn. He too fat. But bitch, I made it red. Blood. Bow. On God. Brr. Brr. Bitch. Vaughn. Bam. I was aiming for that neck, he tried to dodge it, hit his head. He was dissing, now he dead, he couldn't run, I bit too fat. Yeah, he put up in a white tee, but bitch, I made it red. If you take my shit and I still want that, I'ma get it back. Where you at? We on your block. We got Draco, Mac, and Glock. Bitch, come tell me what you want. Tell him put him in a song. Bitch, I never claimed that body to know who did it when it's dropped. Bodies keep on dropping, I'm a menace. Call me Baby Vaughn. I ain't scared, I told my shit. Blue bandana like a crib. If you shoot at me and shoot back, you should know that they be. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm out.